Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing a majestic horse tattoo. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4 or A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to develop your line quality and design forms. For today's artistry trivia, in which famous Indian sculpture located in the Konark Sun Temple features a detailed and lifelike depiction of a horse. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get ready to capture the elegance of a horse. Start with a basic bane-like shape for the body of the horse. Next, using basic shapes, connect the head to the body. Now draw the legs, attaching them to the body. In this sketch, the horse is standing on two legs and his other two legs are in an aggressive position close to his body. Now draw in the tail and the ears of the horse. Using an eraser, erase the connecting lines of the basic shapes. Now next, we will build this horse with various intricate design forms. Start with the face and the hair of the horse. Take your time with this part, as it is a very interesting and time-consuming process. Use sharp and curvy lines to fill the design, which will help in indicating the attributes of the horse. After being done with hair and face, begin with the upper legs and the body of the horse. Fill the designs with black color along with drawing them. The adjectives used to define a horse are gracious, swift and harmonious. So let's try and convey those with the use of lines. Remember to not lose the curvy and the sharp feel of the details, which help in making the tattoo look more harmonious. Also make sure while adding in details not to lose the overall shape of the body. Now we are half done with the tattoo. Once you are done with the upper legs and the upper body, start with the lower body. Now let's finish off the tattoo by filling the lower legs with design. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, handsome tattoo of a horse. If you pay close attention to the tattoo, you'll notice how the lines and shapes are deliberately crafted to guide your eyes in a rhythmic and captivating arc, making the design truly mesmerizing. Using our creativity, we've made this design more visually appealing. You can do the same to make your design unique, so give it your best effort. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. The war horse sculpture at the Konark Sun Temple. Located in the Konark Sun Temple, features a detailed and lifelike depiction of a horse. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.